Hey everybody, it's Zach here with HAIX. Today we are going to talk about our HAIX extended wear program. For many of you, you might not be aware that you can have your favorite pair of HAIX boots retreaded and refurbished and get them looking almost like new. This program is available for boots that are either out of warranty or don't qualify for a warranty, repair, or replacement. You can have your boots retreaded and refurbished using HAIX factory original soles and parts to get them looking almost new. And HAIX authorized repair centers are the only places to have this done to our rigorous technical standards. Now, some of the options to refurbish are retreading of the outsole, replace or repair the rubber toe cap, restitching if stitching has come loose, replace any missing hardware, replacement of the back heel strip, replacement of the insoles, replace the laces, and replace lace and zipper assemblies. Now, they can also clean, deodorize, shampoo, and polish your boots to get them looking ship-shape. And there are other options too for pull-on fire boots, like stretching the calf or adding a gusset to the back to give you a little bit more room. You can simply pick and choose what you want done on your boots, and it's a very simple process online. Now, before sending your boots in to be refurbished, there's a few things you want to check before you do, because sometimes there can be a point of no return on your boots, especially in the sole. If you're looking to have a retread, be sure there is no sole separation, cracks, or delamination in the sole itself. Also check if the tread is worn down too far. You'll want to have a little bit of tread left on your boots if you want to have them retreaded. If you notice anything of this nature, your boots may not be able to be retreaded. Also, look for holes or tears in the leather, because we can only replace broken or loose existing stitching and not the leather itself. If you have damage to the composite or steel toe cap and it's deformed, it's time for a new pair of boots. That safety toe saved your foot the first time around, but it's probably not going to a second time. To give your favorite pair of HAIX boots a facelift like you see here, we have a repair center located in San Diego called New Shoe for our US customers, and for our Canadian customers, we have Quick Cobbler located in Vancouver. You simply order your boot refurb online and you typically have them door to door in about 3 to 4 weeks. Super easy, super convenient. That's all I got for today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel below so you can stay up to date on more videos like this one. Everybody, thanks for tuning in. Take care and stay safe.